Hello everyone, just a quick video. I've been sat chatting to Ashley because he's going to be an ambassador for us. He's having his hair system fitted today. Chatting away about stuff, and I thought, oh, some of this would be good for tape, so I put it on. So, hello Ashley.
Hi everyone.
All right, so we're just speaking about that you're thinking about doing, ignore this, just chat like you're thinking about doing a barber course, yeah?
Yeah. So I've been looking into it for a while now.
And
But,
it's Redditch, your barber shop?
yeah. So I go to a barber shop in Redditch, and
Yeah. Birmingham or
actually
just near Birmingham? If you can't
just
tell
south
from,
of Birmingham. I'm from Birmingham,
you can
but
pick up the accent.
yeah, I haven't quite got the strong accent now.
No, a bit like me with Bristol. I haven't
Yeah.
quite got the all right, my lover.
Yeah.
So you're going to work full time and do that as well.
Yeah, but the place that I go to get my hair done, he actually offers training.
Does he?
It's over a few days. So
Yeah.
the basic training's a 2 to 3 day training course.
Right. Okay.
And then it goes on to the next level and the final stage, which is my main thing of beard grooming with cut throat shaving.
Yeah, like Sweeney
That
Todd.
sort of thing. Yeah.
Well done, my friend. So obviously, with a hair system and you going to a barber course, it's just a win-win. Like I said during the concert when you came down, it's not rocket science. If you keep it simple and stupid, it works. If you learn the training, hair systems are a benefit. If you don't do the training properly or we don't teach you properly, then we failed. If you don't apply what you've been taught, then you will fail, because it's so easy to look pretty with a hair system, especially good quality systems. It's the after bit. So if you're going to the barbers and learning that, you said you've kind of groomed yourself anyway before. It's just a win-win. So I'm doing your training today, and then the fitting, and you've got an open top car, and we're going to go for a spin in that afterwards.
Yeah.
All right, well done.
Lots of hair to work with, really.
So basically, everyone, Ashley couldn't have done any better for us, because one of the things that gives you more options is to come in with your hair longer. Now, you'll see at the front, Ashley had micropigmentation here, which served the purpose for a while. So God bless him, he's got ready for the fitting. He's grown from micropigmentations, and he's come with his hair like this, which is absolutely perfect for a stylist. Thank you very much, Ashley. Right, okay, so I'm checking Ashley's system. Well, this is what I do in a consi anyway. So I'm just putting a bit of a adhesive here. And this is purely just to check the system. And then brush it back and show everybody just how strong the adhesive is, even with just one coat. You normally do 2 or 3 coats, and once the lace sits into all 3 of them, it pretty much disappears. But we're just going to do 1 coat for this. Right, okay, Ashley's steady as a rock. Here's the hair system with the poly band around there, makes it easier. So I'm just basically going to attach the system on one bit of adhesive, and we've got to go just in front of the micropigmentation. So I'm literally just doing that just to check it. Look good already. Right. Okay, everyone. This excess lace gets cut off on the fitting, so we'll cut that back. But look at this. Just one layer of adhesive. Now, I'm really proud of our product, and when people come in for a consi, I do this with my magic box systems. Right there. So it's focusing all right. Yep. And I show them this. Uncut systems put on the head, if they're not made very well, looks like there's some out of a stag night in Blackpool or an Elvish convention. There's some terrible, terrible systems online, but that's craftsmanship. and that's what we're known for from the factory I've been with for 30 years. And even though one layer, am I pulling your hair back? Am I pulling your head back?
Yeah.
Look. It's impressive, isn't it?
It just feels like it's my own hair. It's absolutely crazy.
Right, so with this style, uncut, go slightly back there. So hold it steady. So you have got a steady hand, haven't you? This style and using adhesive, it is the most difficult attachment to have for the maintenance, because you've got literally do the front touch-ups probably every 3 or 4 days. If you've got the patience to do it, I didn't have the patience at all, then it's fantastic. If you haven't got the patience, then you shouldn't go for this style. But Ashley's going to go for this style because he's got an open top car, haven't he?
Yep.
And we're going to have some fun in that to prove it doesn't come off. But there we go. Okay, this is my system, Ashley. I've taken off, and you've got the delight of cleaning it. I wear a tape attachment. Yeah, I'm filming, mate. I wear a tape attachment all the way round. You're doing adhesive at the front and tape, so it's slightly different, but we'll teach you both. Right, so
Okay.
cleaning it. I've taken this off my head. Normally I do it on. Take it off when it's on. Bear with me a second. There we go. It's really important that you spray lace release into the lace. You're doing it when it's on his head, on your head. You've seen the videos, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you just got to be careful, don't go into your eyes. And this goes through the tiny holes. See how good the system looks when the lace colour is the same as your skin. It's amazing. That's what we're known for, yeah? Matching the skin colour. So you do this. It's what you will go through a lot of lace release. Why? People say, well, I put ample on it because removing the tape, you've got to try and remove it without the tape pulling any of the hair through.
Yeah.
So it's just one of those things. You've got, you've got to buy a few bottles a year. So this gone through now, and then this should normally just come off like that. So what I do, it's all gruesome stuff. This, yeah. So what I do is I put my thumb under like that, look, and go through. Life of a hair system, actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no getting way around it. Yeah. And then I do this. Right, so some of the hair has gone into the tape. So the lace release is helping that, not rip it. So this may look a bit chaotic, what I'm doing, but it's actually it's not. Right. So I wear this for a week. Quite tacky, so this is quite a good one to clean. See the adhesive there, just the tape's coming off quite easy, but yeah.
Okay.
And that's because of the lace release. There's a bit of hair there as well, and the goal is to take that off without too much residue on it. Right, okay, Osman the hairman back, just taking this off with Ashley. You could probably see some hair there. So what's happened there, I've lost some hair at the front. So I've been a bad boy. So I've attached the hair system and some of the hair has gone underneath the system. So I've actually lost hair there. So my last attachment wasn't a particularly good one. And that's costly. Can you see that, everybody? Not a good application by me. Right. And then I can save some hair. Yeah, you see that? And the reason I've pulled that out and stayed in the system is because there was lace release on it.
Yeah.
There wasn't any lace release. So, how do you solve this problem? you take off the system. I know what it is. This would be worth listening to. When you brush the hair, if it catches on the brush, then there's hair underneath the hair system. So you're brushing it back and it catches it, snags it.
Okay.
So the bottom line is, you've got to take it off. Now, because I've got the swoosh look, I've had it forward, so I was aware that it was catching, but I just left the front down, but it still cost me some hair. So if you do get hair underneath, if you don't want to affect the hair system with the shedding, you've really got to remove it and put it back on. Ashley has had a longer cut, just a basic cut, because of the style you're having. Leaving it longer would be easier to manage at home. So he's marking up just in front of the hairline, the lace, with an eyeliner. And the goal is to place the adhesive just behind it. Goose Bond XL for the front lace. How many layers are you going to do? 2? Yeah. Spread this evenly over the front. Takes about 4 or 5 minutes to cure transparent. And then Zoe will apply another coat, and then it'll be ready for attaching. When Ashley came in for his consultation, his hair was quite short, so we only put 3% grey in the system, which will show up a bit when it's drier. You've got more grey than we realised, haven't you?
Oh yeah, far more than I realised.
But it's only around here. So the system starts there and everywhere else is reasonably dark, so it's going to look absolutely fine.